And we're back, Karuba, and this program has been brought to you by, of course, Biosynergy Organic Fertilizer and
AgriSaver Liquid Fertilizer.
In cooperation with, of course, our board member, Fred Fialili and
Carl Jason Aliliti Chage Isabella.
Wow, thank you so much. And of course, for our grand prize, 10,000 apo, ito no final. And of course, trip for two to Malaysia and recording contract from FDD Matayjay Production. Kati prizes tayo was donated by
Idi Kenita family.
Yes, of course, the board of judges tayo mo lang. So to take pilpili apo. And our winner for today's competition.
Meron na ba?
Done.
Hindi pa nag-vote na kita duma.
One. Kaawanda, they are absent. Umnumutan tayo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tayo mutan ni actually. So umnudaitan. And it is time mi apo. Dati grupo mi apong dito Idi Kanita family wherein i-create mi rata dagi contestant 1, 2, 3 and then bumotos dalo sinuti kaya dagi jay ito sponsors tayo. Ngayon ito no grand finals, of course we will be needing nagita italagamot nga musicians apong isulat timang screen. Usunod ito talaga nga number one when it comes to musicality, diction, showmanship, kunada, and the tonal and vocal quality. Yan. Dito ito apo ti pag-ibayisan dano sino ti agbalin nga umuna nga idol ito'y Ilocano idol ito'y Adda kami Manen. Nga rod, our winner is contestant number 1, Miss Norin Ramil, 26-year-old from District 1, Cauayan City, Isabela ta. Kung natagati, aji ubing medyo nag-nervyos yung first line, kada first line iti song, but then napintas ka nung iti di vocal quality na. So, aji i-improve mo basa, dajay first line mo, no kanta ka, dajay ka mayo awan, but then ito no, second line, makamat ng tumatlaeng. So, congratulations once again to Norin Ramil from Cauayan City. Asitiglaan ka din nga dito iti District 1. Okay, agsublikan to for the monthly finals. Nga, dik amo no kaano, ading Rowena, dik amo no kaano di monthly finals no next weekend. No taludan nga nagkuhan sino di first na. Apo matantandaanan nga mina. No may kalois muna and then this is
Sumarno monthly.
Monthly. Kita am yun din na odi nga nagbubutusan tayo no anya din na odi. Tayo adyan. Oh, i-review tanton. So i-post min to apo DJ Facebook men no monthly to no next week no weekly pa ilaang. So that's it. And kumansyon ka ba? Ayan, itid padasin naman nga dito nga mauding nga paset iti programa tagat
25 minutes.
Yes, aditog pa 25 minutes. Kita imatan na ever kita love songs nga kay kayata. Ayan, so kita amno sino kita request ito Facebook. Daitan kakabsat kuna namat and
Balse, no.
Balse kuna na. So hanga balse ti kanta tatatan ta second
watching from Riyadh, from lovely Rose Kalugay, still watching from Auntie Aida. Go 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 FD and from Uncle Julito Palakay. Para guys man ajay Victoria Jingjing Okbo Book.
Okbo.
Greetings karon from Orlando, Florida. Naimbagak malam kakabsat kablaw man dagitay kabalay ko tatang agbibuyak kasangsangpet milang nagapuno nakidisco na banogdan from Uncle Ron. Nabasa mati kini Ma'am Evangelinan?
Nabasak tatay amin dagita.
Okay. Nagpasyar ijay downtown Adda nasabat ko abalasang kiniddayak itikan nigid imisem nakasamsam it Victoria tinagan ko kinunana inaram ko ni ni Victoria itinabayag. Nupay kasta ti banag na inanusak. Ket dimteng ti aldaw napalaos iti ragsak ko. Ni Victoria inaklon nantoy ayat ko. When nagganas tunggal aldaw nga aglabas, tunggal adda ni Victoria iti denak. Ngem malas ti amin amalas, inangaunak ni gasa. Ididimteng ti maysa ang pasama. Idi na panak nagpasiyar may jay balayda. Ni tatang na iinak nakasarita.
Ay pero pasensyakan, daawanin ni Victorian. Indaray day adik akaroma.
Nasakit tinakem ko itinapasama. Ket napanak naginom iti arak. Tigasat ko sinang sangitak, taawanen ti liwliwak ni Victoria. Ket awanen iti denak. Naglabas ti aldaw bulan ken tawen, nadamag ko ani Victoria simang peten. Dagos ko sinarungkaran, mailiwak unay ken kuanan. Ngem addamet ti ubing akaduanan. Ket dita tinagpatenggaan daytoy kantak. Ti istorya may panggit ken ayat. Tanag sublin ti liwliwak ni Victoria sinublianan. Nubitin ka doblem madenggen daytoy kantak. Nubitin ka doblem madenggen daytoy kantak.
Ayan, hantang amo no, dapat iti text message ta naloba mo ta jay text line tayo ni. So kada kiti message ta po ti text line, ako pasensya kayo taming mabasa ta naloba ta jay gadgets me. Okay, nga Rod, our winner for today will receive 500 pesos and 200 pesos mata po consolation prize. And i-announcement to apo dito IFM no next weekend iti monthly finals. So agsublin to dagitay nangabak apo kada kitay ay muna nga Domingo nga itay panagsasalisal. Okay nga Rod.
Dito na Rona Calapini. Nagana idol pagrit naman ang mga apo di Cauayan City. Yuri, Kyle, Kervin, Shane, Keniyuan. Salamat mga idol from Rona Calapini. Nampanggal doyo, Sir John and Amak from Judeline Rubio. Watching from San Jose, California from Gemma Bares. What's that?
Gemma Bares kuna na. Okay, from Joan Pagulayan, Mercado.
Okay.
Kasla naliday ni ading John Mark. John Mark, kasla naliday ka.
Hamot.
Napuraw lang nga talaga tirupa natin kasasabon na iti Kojic soap din.
Kojic na. Made.
Kojic.
Sabon tikwa global.
Dati kuana. Adi hangka dapat rumrumuar.
Decisions in the sun. Pintas Ajay from Antigina.
Request ni Manang ko the Seasons in the Sun ka, no? Okay nga, Rod. Isuti soro no na kanta mabalong Seasons in the Sun. Di ba karupa tayo, DJ? Island Season.
Island Dison ay.
Ay, Dison, DJ. Ayan. Okay nga, Rod. Kaya kami akan kansunin ato yun.
G20 folder ko?
Awam mo.
Ada DJ. Kita DJ tak. Baka DJ tayo. Ayan na.
DJ John Mark ko na lang. Ako kata kita
baka ada dito.
Seasons in the Sun.
Oh. Awan. Apa ya? Selada ini. Bener jayan mo.
Awan. Okay. Ayan na nga tayo dito.
Baka jinti folder mo eh.
Bumasa ka pa nga, Rod. No, dapat ipabasahan.
Para guys man, dyan nalabaga nga kawitan. Para kada kita madangag. Ayang miti blackjack na abak na on. From Uncle Ron.
Blackjack.
Manarimaan bilangan at tikorta. Ano naman eh. Gemma Bares.
Awang makita mga barya tayo sa medyo marigata. Naman kita. Gentile sa DJ, di ba?
Siguro ah.
Gentile.
Seasons.
Isa ta?
Hindi ko alam ah. Kita manog daw.
We are not sure. Okay nga
sige,
na. Ito yan.
Shota nga ta?
Okay. Ito yan.
Siguro. Goodbye to you, my trusted friend. We've known each other since we were 9 or 10. Together we climbed hills or trees. Learn of love and ABCs. Skinned our hearts, skinned our knees. Goodbye, my friend, it's hard to die when all the birds are singing in the sky. Now that the spring is in the air, pretty girls are everywhere. When you see them, I'll be there. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun. But the hills that we climbed were just seasons out of time. Goodbye, Papa, please pray for me. I was the black sheep of the family. You tried to teach me right from wrong. Too much wine and too much song. Wonder how I get along. Goodbye, Papa, it's hard to die when all the birds are singing in the sky. Now that the spring is in the air, little children everywhere. When you see them, I'll be there. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun. But the wine and the song, like the seasons, all have gone. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun. But the wine and the song, like the seasons, all have gone. Goodbye, Michelle, my little one. You gave me love and helped me find the sun. And every time that I was down, you would always come around and get my feet back on the ground. Goodbye, Michelle, it's hard to die when all the birds are singing in the sky. Now that the spring is in the air, with the flowers everywhere, wish that we could both be there. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun. But the stars we could reach, we could starfish on the beach. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun. But the stars we could reach, we could starfish on the beach. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun. But the wine and and the song, like the seasons all have gone. We had joy, we had fun, we had seasons in the sun, but the wine and the song, like the seasons all have gone.